Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm just down by the lake and I'm gonna go for a little hike, little walk. That's the frozen over lake right there. It's a nice calm night. So you can see there, that's just on the shore of the lake here. So that's the ice that's been pushed up on the shore. I'm definitely the only one out here. I didn't see any other vehicles. It's not too cold. It's probably about -5 Celsius. Almost no wind. Probably not going to go too far. Maybe we'll even see some deer or something. Don't have to worry about bears this time of year. This is a lagoon. It's frozen over. Looks like quite a few people have been out here. The water in this lagoon's not too deep, so this should be pretty safe to be on. But yes, we are walking over water right now. So yeah, let's walk on top of the lagoon. Only time of the year you can do this. So yeah, this is a good place to test out this flashlight that I have. It's the Olight Marauder 2. And this can put out 14,000 lumens. Yes, that's 14,000 in flood mode. It's a nice floody light for places like this. You can see pretty good. I can see a lot further than my camera's probably picking up right now. I can see right over to the shoreline over there. Probably a few hundred meters. I'm not going to do a full review or anything on this light. I'm just going to do like a little bit of a test here tonight because it's a great light for where I'm at. I'll leave some details down in the description if you guys want to check out more information on this light. And what I like is you can go into this throw mode. There we go. So that's the shoreline over there quite a ways. Lights it up pretty good. And yeah, it's a square beam, which is pretty unique and odd. Most flashlights have that round beam. So it's a little different. Some people don't like that, but it puts out a good throw. Yeah, look at it going up into the sky there. Pretty cool. When you need maximum light, this is a good light for it. I know there's even brighter lights out there, but this is a pretty cool one. It's pretty compact. And I like how, yeah, it can do a nice flood and a throw. Whenever I go hiking, even if this isn't the one that's in my pocket, it's a good one to have in the bottom of your backpack. But yeah, for more information on this light, if you're interested, I'll just leave some links down in the description. Go check it out. I don't know if you heard that, but that sounded like a coyote. There is coyotes around. They shouldn't bother me though. Yeah, they're just over there. You should be able to hear them. There's a whole bunch of them. Another look at that beam. Yeah, that puts out a nice beam. Pretty cool. I haven't heard the coyotes anymore. Haven't seen them. So yeah, we're gonna carry on. We're back on shore in the forest. We'll go up this little hill here. It could be slippery. Okay. Little out of breath coming up that hill. So yeah, it hasn't been too harsh of a winter yet, which is nice. I don't mind not having -30 and -40. That will still hit. Later in January, February, we'll for sure get some of that. And it's only about -5 out right now, but no wind. Calm and quiet. Here's a look across at the town. There's a look down at the lake. So that part is frozen. It's probably not too thick though. Yeah, we're just gonna walk back to the car. Just a quick one tonight. You can really see all up along the shore there. Pretty cool. Yeah, that beam mode. It's good for looking off in the distance, but it's not good for walking because it gives off no flood at all, so you can't even really walk with it. It's just for throw, it's just for distance. But one button puts it back into the other mode. So that'll be about it tonight, guys. So thanks for coming along. I hope everybody stays safe out there. And like always, click the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos. It's been a while since I did a nighttime hike. And consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. See you later.